Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting their printer paper trays? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove tray. Start by pulling out the input tray completely from your printer. Make sure the tray is empty and ready for adjustment. Step 2. Widen guides. Extend the paper width guides to the edges of the tray. This will prepare the tray to accommodate the new paper size. Step 3. Load paper. Place your chosen paper stack into the tray in portrait orientation. Align it with the size markings. Step 4. Snug fit. Gently adjust the width guides to be snug against the paper edges, keeping everything aligned. Step 5. Insert tray. Slide the tray back into the printer, securing it properly. Pull out the output tray to handle the paper length. By following these steps, you should now be able to adjust your printer's paper tray efficiently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.